Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got Jerry here ready for part 2. So we got a couple things to discuss of what we've done today, what future plans are coming in the very near future actually, and what we plan to do moving forward from there. So right now I took out the entire wiring harness of this thing from headlamp to tail lamp. It's all out of here because it's getting replaced. I decided I'm not going to try and keep anything. Maybe a couple connectors here and there for like the ignition switch if I want to keep it. This is going to be a fun task in itself. I tried to do myself a couple favors and I labeled like these came off the steering column. If I decide to use the turn signals, headlight switch, ignition switch and keep the key, why not? You got a couple, like the body harness, this is all the rear tail lights and stuff like that. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find these plugs or if I'm going to have to make stuff. So I'll probably be keeping most of this for the time being. After the engine stuff's in, we'll worry about that later. But it's out. I set myself up for success. Everything's labeled that I think I need. And we'll go from there with that. As you can see, there's some differences. No glass. We got some of that stuff out to figure out, you know, what we got to do as far as rust repair and preventative. So that was another little thing that had to get done before my body guy came out, which he did come out, and we talked about quite a few things. We're going to talk about today how much of this needs to be replaced actually. I got to order a bunch of parts. And once that stuff starts trickling in, we're gonna start working on the body and start getting that stuff done. This thing needs a left rear frame rail. That's all rotted out. The left rear wheel well, inner and outer. The driver's side floor pan is pretty much gone. So that's all stuff we gotta get. Everything is out of the engine bay as well, except for the clutch cable and the fuel line still. That I'll probably take out later. We didn't film it because it's kind of tedious. And the HVAC is still in, like I said earlier. So that stuff still has to come out. But we have a game plan for this. So body guy's gonna come out not this week, next week. And we're gonna start ripping a Rabbit apart. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.